Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Since reaching an all-time high of $259.90 on November 6, Solana has been declining. It has been following a declining resistance line throughout the decline, which was most recently validated on March 2. Solana bulls may push price above $100 so far. The price has dropped to $75.35 on February 2. The subsequent bounce confirmed the $73 area as support. This is a horizontal support area as well as the 0.786 Fib retracement support level. SOL is currently trading at a 66% decrease from its all-time high. Solana's price is on the verge of completing one of the most significant percentage decreases since its all-time high in November 2021. A descending triangle pattern may be seen in the price activity of Solana, SOL. The altcoin reversed course from the falling trendline, $105.81. Institutional interest. The DeGum hopes boost Solana SOL benefited from a slew of positive news through March. Last week, digital asset manager CoinShares and world number 3 crypto exchange FTX jointly launched an exchange-traded product that offers SOL staking rewards without directly buying the token. The product is geared chiefly towards institutional investors and is expected to draw a large amount of capital to SOL. The token also makes up nearly a quarter of the weightage in a recently launched smart contracts fund by digital assets manager Grayscale. Large-scale trading by investment houses is credited with spurring a massive crypto rally in 2021, and as such, is usually a bullish indicator. Krafton, developer of the wildly popular PUBG The DeGum, partnered with Solana Labs last week to develop blockchain games, drawing more attention to the token. Ethereum's planned shift to a POS model has also spurred interest in other projects in the space. After recent gains, SOL is the second largest player in the space. Solana price analysis. SOL value rises by 12% following a Pensia announcement. Technical indicators elsewhere. In the top 10 cryptocurrencies, Ripple, XRP, is currently down by 7% to 80 cents, while Terra has also dropped by nearly 6% to $102. The rest of the coins in the upper echelons of the crypto market have variously recorded drops ranging from 4.4% to 0.5% over the last 24 hours. Solana's relative strength indicator, RSI, is getting ever closer to the 70 points mark. This would indicate that SOL is being overbought and could yet experience a trend reversal in the coming days. SOL's moving average convergence divergence (MACD) indicator is showing an upward expansion, suggesting a continued bullish run for the cryptocurrency. Additionally, Solana's current bias is also decidedly bullish. Solana's bullish performance has been buoyed by a marked rise in demand for non-fungible tokens (NFTs) on the platform. This rise in demand has in turn been spurred by news that OpenSea, the industry-leading marketplace for NFTs, is set to integrate the Solana blockchain into its platform sometime in April. The announcement for the integration was made in a 16-sec upswing could be broken. Solana may drop to historical lows. If Solana falls below $85, it may test the lower support levels. If the token continues to fall, the final support level of $80 could be tested. If it breaks through this support level, a sharp drop in pricing is likely, with the $50 level being tested soon. This might push SOL to new lows. Such lows may entice traders looking to profit from such a significant drop. The next news: Solana guns for $100 barrier. Will bulls win the SOL? The price of Solana is riding the same wave as cryptocurrencies, stocks, and other risky assets around the world. Investors are hopeful that the present war in Ukraine would come to a conclusion following a meeting between Russia and Ukraine in Belarus. Despite the positive news and outlook, bulls are finding it difficult to break through the important $100 barrier. Solana close to $100 earlier today. Solana hit a daily high of $96. The asset was one of the top gainers of the day at the time, with gains of up to 6.4%. The announcement of a world tour by the group behind the asset's creation has boosted the asset's price recently. Solana's price, more than most large cryptocurrencies, is dismal and sad, as it is quite close to a key price level, yet unable to attain it easily. Before Solana may enter clear, and if you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026, depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders,